In this video, I'll be showing you how to get command block in Minecraft. First, you will need to have cheats or commands enabled to get the command block. Once you have loaded in, open the text menu. The default shortcut is T. Type /give followed by a space and your username. Then add another space and type command_block. You can select the options that show up to make things easier. Send the message and the command block will be added to your hotbar or inventory. If you're in survival mode, then you will notice that you can place the block down. Open the text menu again, then type /game mode, then add a space and choose creative. Place the block down, then open it. Now you can set the command to whatever you like. I'm going to set it to give the nearest player a diamond. Now go ahead and add a lever or button to the side of the command block. Open the text menu one more time, then type /game mode space and switch back to survival. Now, whenever someone uses the lever, they will receive a diamond. You can now get the command block in Minecraft. Please leave a like if you found the video helpful.